To quote from the Moodle Stack documentation, the whole point of Stack is not to use multiple choice questions, but instead to have the student enter an algebraic expression. That said, there are occasions where it is very useful, if not necessary, to use multiple choice questions in their various forms. I've created this question to illustrate some of the ways of using multiple choice input for questions. The first item here is a sequence of checkboxes, so you can select more than one item, and the question is, select the first and third letters of the alphabet. So the first letter of the alphabet is A, the second is B, and the third is C. So the first and third letters of the alphabet are A and C. The next question is a radio button question where you can only have one of the group selected. And the question is, which of the following is a tree? Well, I've never heard of a bicycle tree or a football tree, but I have heard of an oak tree. So I'm going to submit and finish. And now I'm going to scroll down. And you can see it says correct, well done, correct letter choice, correct answer, well done, correct tree. And notice I've mentioned the details of the question and the response because the two are separated. It would be nicer if that feedback could be located close to the question once you've made your submission. And that's possible because by default your feedback tags start out in the specific feedback area, but you can put them in the body of the question text. So I've just copied that, which is the question about the letters of the alphabet, and I'm now going to paste the feedback tag into the body of the question text. Okay, so now I'm going to save that. I'm going to preview the question again. And to save time, I'm going to fill in the correct responses. You can see here. And now I'm going to click Submit and Finish. And you can see that the feedback now is within the body of the question, making it easy to associate the two. So that's the Moodle Stack question type using multiple choice inputs.